Social literacy. Me and my friends are happy together. Everything are natural. Laughing together, sharing stories, and action that made us laugh. Not until the gadgets invaded our communications. They changed so much, and I also admit that I was captured by technology. But everything was said without those things. Because of technology, everything has changed. Not just like before, we spend more time together, laughing, sharing our personal experiences, and the bond was so fight. I love it, and I want them to be the same just like before.
Social literacy refers to the ability to understand, navigate, and effectively interact with various social situations, relationships, and institutions. Social literacy is not just about reading and writing. It's about understanding people. It's about empathy, active listening, and respectful communication.
One of the key components of social literacy is communication. Communication, verbal and nonverbal. Communication skills to express oneself and to engage within others.
Literacy empowers, but social literacy liberates.